Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As we're discussing drowning, and this is the fifth lecture of the series, and in this I'll be discussing the cause of death in drowning. Causes of death: number one, asphyxia. Asphyxia is the most common cause of death, as this results from obstruction of the air passages by inhalation of fluid, that is water or anything else, or intense laryngeal spasm with the touch of water to the nasopharynx or the larynx, which is in dry drowning. Then ventricular fibrillation. This ventricular fibrillation occurs in freshwater drowning because of the bursting open of the red RBCs, liberation of potassium, and the ventricle starts fibrillating. वो कांपते हैं, not contracting. Then the cardiac standstill, that is asystole, and this is in salt water drowning. The hypertonic water enters into the fluid and there is hypovolemia, and that is asystole will result. Then death can occur from other causes like vagal inhibition due to the impact with water on the abdomen, hypothermia or chilling by cold water. Then concussion of the brain in incapacitation or fatal trauma to the head and neck during fall, or head injury during diving without any visible injury. Then injury to the vital organs during fall into the water or diving. The injury can occur to the vital organs of the body and the person dies. Or any other medical cause of death other than drowning, like epilepsy, ischemic heart disease, rupture of intracranial vessels. These are other medical causes. Then secondary drowning syndrome. That means after initial survival of drowning, there are complications. Now the fatal periods: death occurs in about 5 minutes in complete submersion, and it takes 5 to 8 minutes in freshwater drowning and 8 to 12 minutes in saltwater drowning. Thank you very much. This is all about the